सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Amrita. Before we continue, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. In our last episode, we saw how Kunti was born and how she was married to Pandu. Pandu is the son of Vyas and Ambalika. He was the younger brother of Dhritarashtra, but since Dhritarashtra was born blind, Pandu was made the king of Hastinapur. He was taught under the guidance of Bhishma about all the warfare, about the various duties of the king, and all the Vedas and Vedangas and Shastras to become a king. Once he was crowned as the king of Hastinapur, Vidura became the prime minister of Hastinapur and they ruled the kingdom happily. He was a great king and he conquered a lot of regions, spreading his empire throughout a lot of places. When Kunti Swayamvar was held, he went and participated, and eventually Kunti chose him to be her husband. Kunti was the daughter of Shurasena and the brother of Vasudeva. Later on, when he conquered Madra, a kingdom called Madra, he married the princess called Madri, and eventually Pandu had two wives. One day, when Pandu went to hunting in the forest, there was a sage called Kidimba who was intimate along with his wife, but Pandu mistook it to be wild animals and shot arrows at them. Eventually, the arrows hit them and they died. But before dying, they gave a curse to Pandu, telling that he would also lose his life when he was intimate along with his wife. He tried to make apology to Rishi Kidimba, but the curse could not be reversed. He was disheartened, he was heartbroken. He had no happiness to rule the kingdom, so he decided to go into the forest and spend the rest of his life there. So, along with his two wives, Kunti and Madri, Pandu departed to the forest and started living his life as a hermit over there. Once Pandu left the kingdom, Dhritarashtra was made the king of Hastinapur. Once, when he was sitting along with his queens in the forest, Pandu expressed his sadness as to how he was incapable of becoming a father in this birth and how he could not produce children to carry on the generation and to rule the kingdom. Kunti then remembered her gift, her boon from sage Durvasa that she had been given when she was young, and she told Pandu that she had the power, she had a mantra, and by reciting that mantra, you could invoke any god and that god would bless them with a child. Eventually, that made Pandu very, very happy. So, Pandu and Kunti together invoked Lord Dharma, Lord Yamadharma Raja, and Lord Dharma blessed them with a beautiful child, and they named the child Yudhishthira. Again, Pandu and Kunti invoked Lord Indra, and Lord Indra blessed them with a beautiful son called Arjuna. Again, Kunti invoked Lord Vayu, Lord of the wind, and he blessed them with a child, and they named him Bhima. Now that Kunti had been blessed with 3 children, Madri also requested if she could learn the mantra so that she could also give birth to kids. Eventually, Madri invoked the Ashwini brothers, Ashwini twin brothers, and twins were born, and they named them Nakula and Sahadeva. So now, Kunti, Madri, along with Pandu, had 5 children. There were Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula, and Sahadeva, who formed the Pancha Pandavas, which is the main crux of the Mahabharata. This is how the Pandavas were born with the blessings of the lords. One day, Pandu, along with his second wife Madri, was in the forest and they were getting intimate. The curse of the sage Kidimba then worked and Pandu lost his life. Madhuri knew about the curse and yet engaged herself in such activity, so she blamed herself to be the reason of the death of her husband and thus suggested that along with her husband she should also die. But Kunti had to stay alive to take care of the 5 kids, and that Madri trusted Kunti with her sons. So when Pandu died, Madri also died along with him. So it was Kunti's responsibility to make sure that the 5 children grew beautifully. We have a lot to talk about the 5 of them in our further episodes. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please press the like button, share it with as many people as you can, and do let me know in the comments if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Be good, do good always. Bye.